Okay, so this is the main, would you call this the main entrance
Yeah.
to the main house?
Now. Yeah, we don't have to.
That's locked?
Yeah, that's locked. We'll have to walk back down here.
What were we thinking?
Look in your door.
How am I going to cut that out?
And clean it up. I don't, if we could do like a little fire pit here. Wow.
Oh, listen to
what
the
is
bells
that?
again.
Oh, that's just a rock.
I don't know if you guys can hear this, the church bells. Saint Shamasy?
Saint Shamasay.
Saint
Shamasay.
Shamasay. The little village. We'll show you the village.
Yeah, it's very wet though. It's like, could we put a little like swing there? Up at that branch coming out, do a little swing.
Think it would hold?
Yeah, look, it's a big ass branch. How much do you think I weigh?
I'm not saying you, I'm saying me. It's not all about you, babe. Okay, so what do you think? What's your opinion of the gîte?
I think we could do a cute little sitting area out here. I think we could create a little privacy panel here and maybe put like the hot tub here. Do a little hot tub here.
Yep.
You don't really have very good views from this side. You could do it on the other side, or we could set it up over there.
Oh, I think the other, actually look at the other side.
From the other way over here?
Yeah. It's
yeah, it'd be
closer
better
to the door too.
Yeah, better views from this side. Yeah, that'd be better. Ooh, yeah, that's pretty.
Yeah, and it's nice and flat.
Yeah.
I mean, the other side was flat too.
Yeah, you can set up a little hot tub here.
Yep.
We could make this a little driveway.
So it's going to be a one-bedroom gîte, so rental like an Airbnb, with its private entrance off the road, which it's a dead-end road, and
It does have gutters. Okay.
we'll have that available in a bit. More to come on this one. Okay, this is a happy girl. She's in her happy place. Rochelle's making plans. What are you making plans for?
This opens up to the kitchen. Open it up, we'll have a nice little bar here. Set the barbecue up here. Table, chairs for dining. Our little coffee area.
A cafe.
A cafe. Love this.
What is it?
It's the old stone sink on the inside. So cool.
What was that?
It's my office.